Okay, what we're going to do now, we're going to connect your domain name to your actual hosting account. Okay, it's not as complicated as it seems, and if you've signed up with Namecheap, obviously it's going to be nice and easy. If you've signed up with a different company, don't worry about it. The principles will be just the same. Just type in the search box or wherever you are, DNS or domain name server, and it will bring you around to where you need to. If you do get really stuck, just contact the supporting company and they will provide some help. Okay, so what I've got open now, this is in my A2 hosting account. That's my overall one. That's not the business that I'm working on now. And you have what's called here your name servers. Okay, so what you'll do is you're going to take this information, come across to your Namecheap account where you've just purchased your domain name, click on manage, and then as you scroll down you'll see here it's got Namecheap basic DNS. You're going to choose custom DNS, and then you're just going to come okay, so as simple as that. You're going to have these in here and you're literally just going to click on the save icon. Now what that will do, that will connect your Namecheap address, so this one, makeup artist gateshead.co.uk, and connect it into your actual hosting account here at A2 Hosting. Okay, now you have to leave it for a little bit for it to propagate through the internet. However, it normally, if it's a brand new domain name, it will be very, very quick. Okay, so I'll go away, check the settings, and as soon as it's all connected, I will get back on with the next video.